So this is the output for the ninth experiment, which is updating information in the Google Firestore database. In the previous experiments, we did the CRUD operations in the NoSQL database, which were create and reading or searching for the information. Now we will be updating the information. Once again, we are using the existing CRUD database, the NoSQL database which we had inserted before itself, and we will be updating. So how does this work? Basically, we create read text from the copies controller function, which then trims and tries in dot parse via the in dot try parse function. If the parse fails, then it will ask for the valid integer or any other copies. How do you update it? Basically is, once we call the reference to the collection, the Firestore collection, and we await for the function. Once we await, this issues a Firestore update operation that replaces only the copies field on the existing document with the integer value that is passed. And if that document does not exist, the update will throw an error. So this call is awaited. In the meantime, the local UI state is also updated. After the update completes, the code checks all of the mounted checks mounted and runs the set state to update the in-memory results to check for that passed item whose ID is passed for. Now, as usual, we will be running it in the Android emulator. For reference, I will be showing this the same values, the book title which we have seen here. I'm going to be editing this book title. Now, the name of the title is Flutter Lab, so I'm going to put it as Flutter Lab. Here I am just here. It's, as you can see, the number of copies is 4. I will I want to edit it to 2, so I'm going to put it as 2. I'll click search. Now once I click search, it's showing that available copies are 4. This verifies that our book is present in the Firestore. So what I'm going to do after this is, I'm going to click on the copies available, so I get the update option. Now once I click on the update, I change the number here to the number which I want. Suppose I want 2. I click on the update. As you can see, the change has been made here successfully. So this proves that the persistent connection is maintained, and the CRUD operations are successful.